Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can obtain Draccola in Archero 2. So it's pretty simple. Now what you're going to do is you're going to obtain 50 shards. Now to obtain any character in this game, you'll need to get 50 shards, and the same goes for Draccola. Now once you've obtained 50 shards, then you're simply just going to go to the character screen and you can unlock Draccola. So it's as simple as that. Once you earn 50 shards while playing the game, then you can unlock Draccola, and then you'll have to earn more shards, as you can see right below, in order to update and level up your Draccola character. So just earn 50 shards while you're playing the game, and then you'll be able to unlock Draccola from your character screen. The same thing goes for all the other characters in this game as well. As you can see, each character requires 50 shards for them to be unlocked, which can be obtained from completing quests and activities in game, or by purchasing them in shop or events. So you can also purchase them, or you can play the game and complete some quests and activities to earn shards and unlock Draccola. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.